So we just found this Squirky's Fidget Pets, and we got the Clickety Cat because I love clicking. So oh, I'm R.
I'm
And we're gonna unbox this.
Yeah.
So there's this. I don't know. I thought this would like roll,
Can we fit? Okay.
but I know you can click this. Oh.
I remember.
Oh.
That's kind of cute.
Oh.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, yeah, let me film.
Yeah.
I like
I
this.
like the tail a lot.
Yeah, me too. This is pretty loud though, so I don't know if you'd be able to use it in class, but like,
You can still do like the clicking thing in class, and like maybe this one if you do like.
yeah, but the most satisfying part is probably this for me.
For me, it's the tail.
Okay, I definitely think like this is worth it. Out of a smash or pass, this is definitely a smash.